Hi my loves! In today's video I have an amazing DIY at home face mask for you. It is so soothing, so amazing for the skin, and it's going to leave it clear, glowing, and fresh, and it is all natural, so stay tuned. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and check the links below for my DIY playlists and my website where I offer free secrets, live sessions with me, and a $10 ebook with secrets I don't share on my YouTube channel. For the first ingredient you'll be needing for this amazing revitalizing face mask is an avocado, and it's okay if the avocado is a little old. It is the perfect reason to apply it as a mask. I will also be showing you the next ingredients in a moment, but you're just going to want to chop the avocado in half and remove the seed and then scoop it into a bowl. Now the reason we're using an avocado is because it is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins A, D, E, which is amazing for the skin. It's also packed with vitamin E oil and avocado oil, which contains potassium and so many nutrients easily absorbed by the skin to form new, revitalized, and fresh skin. Also, research shows that applying can help with eczema, prevent and treat acne, as well as dry, flaky skin and psoriasis. Now you just want to take the avocado and mash it with a spoon or a fork into your bowl, and once it is nice and smooth, we are going to apply the next ingredient. Now the second and only other ingredient you'll be needing for this face mask is honey, and organic honey. I will list everything down below what I use, and honey is a great natural antibacterial, and it is extremely moisturizing and helps boost your complexion as well as reduce aging and give a natural glow. So we are going to apply about 2 tablespoons of honey to our mixture, and then I'm going to show you exactly how to apply it and how long to keep it on your face. But first you're going to want to mix this really well. Now it's really important when mixing that you also fold the honey really deep into the avocado so you can distribute it evenly. Once you get a nice smooth consistency, you're going to want to apply it with a brush or your hands. Now the key to applying this face mask is starting in small sections, because as you apply it you're going to start to notice you're going to need to reapply a few layers just to fully cover the face, and then you want to apply extra layers in places like underneath your eyes or where you just notice more dry or dull areas. For me, one of those places is in between my brows. I just notice it gets a little drier, as well as my forehead. Now once I'm done, I just add a few more little chunks to wherever I notice I missed, and I let it sit for about 20 minutes. Also, 5 minutes in, I like to go ahead and add extra underneath my eyes and my nose. Now while we wait, I wanted to share I finally opened my Poshmark closet. I'll leave my username down below. It's at Anita Samantha, and I'm going to start listing a bunch of items I haven't worn or only worn once, including luxury items. I'm so excited to share, especially since I'm trying to minimize my wardrobe. So click the link down below to download the app, view my closet, or sell some of your stuff too. Let me know if you do so I can check your closet out as well. But yeah, I'm so excited to share my closet with you guys and everything I'm about to sell, so check it out at Anita Samantha. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have ever used the app before. And if you want a shout out right now, comment 4-minute mark down below so I can show you some love. Or what are some items you think I should start selling? I honestly have so many amazing items I want to start listing, so I'm gonna go take pictures, clean out my closet, and start posting them on the app soon. Now that it's been about 20 minutes, you're going to notice the mask is not only tightening but getting darker in color, and it should feel really strong and soothing. So it is time to wash this mask off. Oh, can we take a moment to thumbs up this video for the fact that this amazing mask only has 2 ingredients and is going to give us amazing results. So we are going to now wash off the mask. I like to do it with a paper towel, some warm water, and just go into circular motions. And this will also help make sure you have absorbed all the nutrients. Now, once your skin is dry, you will notice such an amazing difference. Let me know in the comments below how it worked for you. You guys are gonna love it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and check the links down below for the Poshmark app in my closet, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah!